Hello students, and welcome to a preview of lesson 1.20.3. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin dialogues 28 through 30 from our English course American English Conversations 2. Designed for beginners, these dialogues help English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You're encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comment section below. So for the first part, read the dialogues below in English, then translate them and read them in your primary language. So there are three dialogues 28, 29, and 30. We read them in English together. And then you use the translator to translate them in your primary language and read them again to build your comprehension. So let's read these dialogues together. Dialogue 28, Getting Ready. We don't have much time. I'm hurrying as fast as I can. Well, try to hurry a little bit more, will you? I don't want to be late. Oh, we won't be late. You know how these affairs are. They never start on time. Maybe so, but I always like to get there on time. Oh, you're such a fuddy-duddy. Don't worry. I'll get you there with time to spare. Is that a promise? It's a promise. Now leave me alone while I finish getting ready. Dialogue 29. Making a purchase. How much is it? You mean the large one or the small one? The large one. They're on special this week. They've been reduced to $5. Is that the only kind you have? No, we have some that are different in style but not in color. They're over there. Do you see the sign? Oh yes, I think I'll look at those over there before I decide. Very well, just take your time. And then here's dialogue 30, mail time. The mail has arrived. Did I get anything? I think so. Let me look. You got something from the bank and an advertisement from a health spa. Give me the letter from the bank. It might be important. Here, maybe you've overdrawn your account. No danger of that. I don't have any money to overdraw. I hope it's an offer of that job I applied for. Okay, so now that you read these dialogues in English, try to translate them into another language. Let's see here. We can translate them in Spanish. So you read these dialogues in Spanish, and then you go back to English. And we have part 2. This is very important. Watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. So make sure you watch this 2 or 3 times and repeat after the video to improve your pronunciation. Okay? This builds your listening comprehension, your reading comprehension, your communication skills, your pronunciation skills. So please watch this video 2 or 3 times and do your best to review it. Thank you. And don't forget that you can leave a reply and let us know what you learned down here. Click on the comment section and enter your comments. Write your name. Write your email, and then click on post comment so I can respond to you after you write. Okay? Thank you very much, and please do your best.